Today we're going to look at the top 5 best PSL coaches in South Africa. On our number 5 we have Steve Komphela. Steve Komphela is a South African football coach and a former player who is the assistant manager in the South African Premier Soccer League club, the Mamelodi Sundowns. Steve Komphela has won several trophies during his coaching career, including the Makofe Cup won in the 2016 and 2017 with Kaizer Chiefs. Komphela won the Carling Black Label Cup in 2016 and 2017 with the Kaizer Chiefs. On our number 4 we have Arthur Zwane. Arthur Zwane is best known as 10-111, a South African professional football coach and a former player who spent most of his career with the Kaizer Chiefs, where he served as a head coach from May 2022 to June 2023. Now he joined to be the head coach of AmaZulu FC with Kanu Vilakazi. On our number 3 we have Rhulani Mokoena. Rhulani Mokoena is a South African football manager who is the manager of the Wydad AC, the son of the former Orlando Pirates player Julius Sono and the nephew of Jomo Sono. Mokoena started his professional coaching career in the youth systems at Silver Star before serving as an assistant manager at the Mamelodi Sundowns in 2019. Rhulani was confirmed as a head coach on October 2022 for Mamelodi Sundowns after had previously worked as the coach with Manqoba Mnqethi. Rhulani Mokoena has 93 matches that he played with Sundowns, 60 wins, 26 draws and 7 losses, and he won 7 trophies in 4 seasons. On our number 3 we have Manqoba Mnqethi. Manqoba Mnqethi is the South African soccer coach who is the head coach of the Mamelodi Sundowns. He has managed a number of clubs in the Premier Soccer League. Mnqethi is considered as one of the best coaches in South Africa. Mnqethi has been a coach for more than 15 years and he is a former school teacher by profession. Manqoba won 1-time South African Cup winner, 2 times winner of the MTN 8 Cup winner, and 1-time CAF Super Cup winner. On our number 2 we have Jose Riverio. Riverio is a Spanish football manager and a former player who is currently serving as the head coach of the Orlando Pirates in the South African Premier Soccer League. In 2022, Riverio arrived in South Africa to work on the Pirates project. Riverio made history after recent MTN 8 victory against Stellenbosch FC, where his team won the cup by 3-1. Since Riverio joined Orlando Pirates in 2022, he won the MTN 8 Cup 3 times in a row in 2022, 2023 and 2024, making him the first coach to win a competition 3 times in a row and also won the Nedbank Cup. Riverio has 58 wins, leading him to 60% win rate. Riverio has also been praised for a personal sacrifice, spending 2 years apart his wife and daughter to lead the team. On our number 1 we have Pitso Mosimane. Pitso Mosimane is a South African former professional football player and the current manager of Aston Glenelg. He is the former coach of SuperSport United, Mamelodi Sundowns, Al Ahly and Al Wahda. Pitso is regarded as the most successful manager in South Africa in South African football history, winning the 5 ABSA Premiership title with the Mamelodi Sundowns.